Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is abstract expressionism. Abstract expressionism. Abstract expressionism. Abstract expressionism is an art movement that emerged in the mid-20th century, characterized by non-representational or abstract artworks that convey emotions, feelings, and the artist's inner thoughts through spontaneous and expressive brushwork. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The abstract expressionism movement emerged as a response to the conventions of traditional art, pushing the boundaries of artistic expression. Why abstract expressionism is used in example number 1. Abstract expressionism is mentioned to highlight its role in challenging traditional artistic conventions. Example number 2. Abstract expressionism often involves large-scale canvases filled with bold and energetic brushstrokes. Why abstract expressionism is used in example number 2. Abstract expressionism is used to describe the characteristic style of artworks associated with the movement. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.